What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm just going to briefly be showing you guys a small little tutorial on how to use Instagram Reels. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Go ahead and go to your Instagram app and let's go ahead and open it up. And then we're going to go to the top left and select the camera. And now we're going to go to the bottom right and select Reels. And as you can see, it brings up the side menu where you can select audio and you can add songs to your videos just like before. It'll allow you to change the speed. You can also do special effects on the videos. And then lastly, you can set a timer. So those are pretty much the options that you have, and they're available for each IG reel that you want to record. So now let's go ahead and try and record one. I'm just gonna press and hold the button. And these videos, they record from about 3 to 15 seconds long, very similar to TikTok. And so I'm just gonna do a little short video right here and just record my living room. And it's pretty cool because after recording, it'll allow you to align the video. That's some special effects going on right there, guys. You can also preview the video and cut out parts that you don't want. And if you don't like it, you can go back and redo it. Or you can just press that right arrow, write a caption, and then upload. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.